Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping. Today, we're celebrating our online anniversary. Mr. Blackhead and I started putting videos on the internet back in 1997. 1997? Adam, was there even internet back then? How old are we? In celebration, let's take a look at some of our favorite videos from the past few years. Remember this video on our channel, Mr. Popper? It has 10 million views and shows calcified debris in the tonsils, known as tonsil stones. It was one of the first tonsil stone videos on the net. And this video includes George's dilated pore of Weiner. It also has 10 million views. George was a partner of ours from Florida, but is no longer online. Max's infected pimple was also a controversial one. Max is a transgender Facebook friend of ours who had several battles with staph infections. With 7 million views is this trypophobia video. Mr. Blackhead was the first to bring trypophobia videos to YouTube. So for all you folks who are triggered by lotus pods, we are sorry about that, but not too sorry. We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
Bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.